Let me show you what happens if you stand outside too long when it's minus 24. That's the pizza delivery guy. This is something I wanted to do since I saw a video on YouTube in 2012, and I knew one day I would be doing it. I didn't realize it would be 12 years later. Yes, it's just a simple pot of boiling water, and I'm going to do it over the next couple of days and the next couple of evenings in the same spot so you can compare what it looks like during the day and what it looks like at night.